Welcome to another episode of Geekoutdoors.com. So today I want to do a little thank you video for all the supporters of the Geek Outdoors channel. Now I have been doing this ever since I had less than 50 subscribers. And so the first group of people I want to thank are my patrons. And there's two specifically because those are the two that have been supporting me since 2017. It's Vasil and Rose. Thank you so much for continuing to support me on Patreon, even though I haven't updated in a while. And so I'm thinking of extra content to provide for Patreon users. And then the second group of people I want to thank are the people who have donated to me through PayPal. And for privacy reasons, I'm not going to say who the names are, but you are very welcome for all the open shot videos. And then the other supporters I have are everybody who is on my Creative Geek email list. And so I'm very thankful for joining my email list, and hopefully you get a lot of additional content from the videos and messages that I put there, and I'll be updating that as well. And then finally, everybody here on YouTube who watches my videos, who likes them, who shares, who subscribes, and at the same time who leaves a lot of valuable comments that help this channel and the whole geek community grow. So that is it for this video. I'm always grateful and thankful for all of you here who come to Geek Outdoors, who watches these videos, who gets a lot of value out of it, and hopefully I could provide more value for you in the future. So if you've actually had any thoughts on this, or maybe you wanted to support the channel as well, I do have links in the description area below, or you can go to my main channel if that's something that you're interested in. So thank you so much, and we'll see you on another episode. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you'll get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.